Hi everyone! In this video I'm gonna show you how to crochet the Sakura accessory. You can hang the Sakura flower in your car, or tie it to your bag. And if you like our projects, subscribe to us. These are the materials we need. Part 1. Flower. Take out the pink yarn. Make a magic loop first. The secure chain is counted as one chain. Make 2 more chains. Double crochet in the magic loop. Chain 1. Double crochet again. Chain 1 after that. Repeat a double crochet followed by a chain in a total of 9 times. Count if there are 9 double crochet stitches. Pull the loop up and take out the hook. Pull the loop tight. Put the hook back. Then work into the space between the 3 chains and the double crochet stitch. Slip stitch here. Pull the loop up. Break the yarn. Pull the loop out. We finished the flower core. Then, let's create the petals. We are going to crochet in these spaces instead of specific stitches. Take out another light or dark pink yarn. Wrap yarn around your hand. Pull the yarn down. Hold the yarn tail to the wrong side of the work. Insert hook into one of those spaces. Wrap the light pink yarn around your hook. Pull it through the space. Chain 1 to secure the yarn. Work back into the same space. Put the yarn tail on the hook and under the working yarn, so we can hide it in stitches while we crocheting. Make a single crochet. Chain 1. Work into the next space. Double crochet here. Chain 1 again. Double crochet back in the same space. Chain 1 and double crochet in the same space again. Chain 1. And single crochet in the next space. Then repeat the sequence we did before. Chain 1. Then, double crochet and chain 1 3 times in the next same space. Repeat the pattern 5 times in total. In the end, slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch. We made 5 petals. Then, let's work on the last round. Chain 1 first. Work into the next space. Single crochet here. Then half double crochet in the next space. Chain 1. Next, we'll work into the specific stitch of the middle double crochet stitch. Double crochet here. Chain 3. Work back into the same stitch and slip stitch. Chain 3 again. Double crochet back in the same stitch. Chain 1. Half double crochet in the next space. Single crochet in the next space. We finished the sequence once. Then we just need to repeat it. Our next stitch should be put into the space left to this single crochet stitch. Make a single crochet here. Then half double crochet in the next space. Chain 1. Next, double crochet in the middle stitch. Follow the pattern and finish this round by yourself. Slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch in the end. Then, fasten off. Leave 30 to 50 centimeter yarn. There will be sewing work afterwards. Pull the yarn all the way out. Put it aside. Make another piece of the Sakura flower. For the second one, you don't need to leave a lot of yarn. Take out a needle. Thread it up with the long yarn tail. Stack the two pieces of work together. Make sure the right sides are facing out. Sew through the outer loops of the two flowers. Hide those yarn tails inside the flower. Hide the working yarn inside the flower too. Break the yarn. We finished making the flower. Part 2. Chain. Take out the color of yarn you crocheted the flower core with. Make a slip knot first. Leave about 10 centimeters yarn tail. Chain 35. If you want to make a long chain, you can make a chain of 70. When you finished, pull the loop up and break the yarn. This is our chain. Part 3. Leaf. Take out the green yarn. Let's start with a slip knot. Chain 8. Then, work into the second chain from the hook. Make a single crochet. Make another single crochet in the next chain. Then, make a half double crochet. And a double crochet. Half double crochet again. Next, single crochet. Single crochet again in the last chain. Then we'll make a 1 chain picot. Chain 1. Insert hook into the 2 loops shown in the video. Yarn over and pull through these 2 loops. Make a slip stitch. Work into the last chain again. Make another single crochet here. Then follow the pattern and finish the other half of the leaf. Slip stitch in the first chain in the end. Fasten off. And break the yarn. Then, follow the pattern and make another same leaf. Add 6 chains in the end of second leaf. Pull the loop up. Leave about 30 centimeters of yarn. And cut it off. Pull the yarn all the way out. Take out a needle and thread it up. Hide the yarn tail of the other leaf in the center. Stack the 2 leaves together with right sides facing out. Sew through a stitch of the other leaf. Sew through the outer loops of these 2 leaves. Hide the working yarn in the leaf in the end. Break the yarn. Finished. Part 4. Assembling. First, attach the leaf to the chain. Then, make a knot with the 2 yarn tails of the chain. Thread a needle up with one of the tails. Sew through a stitch of the flower. Make another knot with the 2 yarn tails. Hide the extra yarn in the flower. Cut off the extra yarn. Finished.